Which side of the road do you want to be on? Jeez. Again, what side of the road do you want to be on? Mate, really? Oh, you're going to say that's parked next as well, aren't you? Jesus. Can't people can park up properly, man.
So if I press go.
Stop, Grandad. Stop, Grandad. Dickheads, man. I'm getting closer. Tell from the insulation tape on the back that you've done that before, haven't you? Well, it's not many miles away now. I'm just going to double check the freaking route. We'll probably get there M40, can't we, almost?
I don't know. Well, not as bad as that one.
Yeah. You want to go left hand down, inch and a half. Be like that. Oh, what? I'd straighten off and sit here for a minute. Because she just bounced off the fucking clutch and stalled it first.
Did she? Oh, I wasn't watching. No, I'm clear. I feel reasonably straight.
She's still going backwards. You thought you was going forward then, didn't you?
Oh, she's about 180.
Okay. Something random going on around the corner here. That's different, isn't it? The battery's gone or something.
That lady's bought lots of sticks and she can't fit them in her car. She can't fit her sticks in her car. She should have thought about that.
Out the window.
No, they're over there. They're just stood there having a bit of a domestic about their stupid twigs they've bought.
mistakes, mate.
Yeah.
This kid's creeping out.
Yeah.
It'll stop in a minute. It'll stop in a minute. It'll stop in a minute.
If he'd waited, I probably would have let him go.
I probably would have as well. But the fact that she was creeping, it could right off.
Yeah.